Excuse me.
Yes, please.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but not fully.
Where do you come from?
I come from France.
Whom do you come here with?
I come here with my friends.
Where do you stay?
I stay in GW Marriott Hotel.
When did you come here?
I come here 3 days ago.
How did you come here?
I come here by plane.
How long is from your country to Indonesia by plane?
For about 6 hours.
What do you think about Borobudur? It's very wonderful. What do you think about Indonesia people?
They are very friendly.
Will you stay in Indonesia for a long time? Yes, my dear, I will stay in Indonesia for a long time. Where did you visit during in Indonesia?
I visited Borobudur, Juan Bali, and Jogja.
Have you gone to Pangandaran Beach? Yes, I have gone there. Where are you going?
I'm going to Karangkosi.
Bye.
Goodbye.